Hi everyone and welcome to this edition of The Radio Gardeners.
You'll normally find Carolyn on the radio.
And you'll normally find Trevor right here in the garden.
And today we're going to talk hydrangeas.
So Trevor, at this time of the year, are you about to cut these back? They look so beautiful still.
Well, these are the pom-pom type hydrangeas, the ball hydrangeas, and these ones I will not cut back. And we'll talk a bit more about some other varieties that you can, but these ones we like to leave the old bloom on so that it acts as a parasol to keep the frost away from the roots. But the fun thing you can do is this lovely sort of faded grandeur of a colour. If you cut a few of those stems and take them into a cold garage or a greenhouse, whatever, hang them upside down, they will retain that colour all winter long, so they can be lovely. Yeah. But let's talk about other hydrangeas. These ones we don't cut back, because if we did, then they would not flower for us next year, would sacrifice flower.
I was just going to ask you about these little buds here.
Yeah.
I'm taking it whenever you say this acts as a parasol, that is to protect these little buds.
It's protecting those. It's also protecting the root. It's also keeping the frost away from the root, because hydrangeas like rhododendrons and camellias and various other plants are shallow rooted. And that means if we had very hard frost, then those roots are sitting in frost. Mm-hmm. So by having the canopy of the flowers here, it protects the root as well as the buds.
Whenever you do eventually cut this down though,
yep.
I take it you're cutting it above them. You have to be.
I tell you what we'll do. Next spring, when I'm about to cut these, we'll do another programme and show. But yeah, what we'll do is cut just down to above a good pair of buds, but we'll cover that next year. Hydrangeas, gorgeous plants, really easy to grow, great in this sort of climate, great in salt air, and great for shady type areas that don't need full sun, so fabulous plants.
They look great, and if you come with me, I'm going to show you some beautiful colours here. Look, these ones are still beautiful blue, just about to turn green, and look around here, these are stunning. Look at the colours here. So they're still looking great, but some people be talking about cutting these down. Why would you? They're beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that just like a bouquet of flowers? Beautiful, Trevor.
Just fabulous, you know, and the whole important thing is look around your garden, look what's in flower at the minute, look what's lasting and dying well, and enjoy your garden during the winter as well as looking forward to spring.
We'll see you next time.